All right, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you, and welcome back to probably the last session that we are conducting in this year. Next, we'll be meeting either on 1st of January, Monday, or the 2nd of January. I'll be posting the schedule on the Telegram channel as well as on the YouTube schedule. So kindly watch out for that. And these are exciting times. Don't get disheartened due to the last week trading activity being less. But believe it or not, I promise 2018 is going to provide us great trading or investing and learning opportunities. I'm already getting excited looking at the charts. I'm looking at euro, pound, the dollar index, gold and silver, and crude oil, at least for now, and Bitcoin, of course. So let's just quick revision of what we discussed in the UK live session. Believe it or not, we are right on track for the euros and the dollar index as well. There was an aggressive trade call issued with a partial short, and we are in 50%. Now, more or less, this is getting clear that euro would attempt one more high, at least one more high, or it would challenge 1.2092 with prices breaking above 1.1961. That was our threshold, if you remember. We are looking towards something like this to happen as we move into 2018. Let's get prepared for the wave counts here. One rise and then a dip and then another rise. That completes the wave structure. Now, if we look at the yet another bigger picture, will on a weekly chart or something like that, it looks like euro is scheduled to top out in 2018 and resume its bear trend. Whether or not it's going to go below parity, that is a question which is too early to be discussed, but we shall be looking, or we are already short right now, we would be looking to sell even further below, at least towards this trend line, that is 1.12. All right, so that's the story in euro. Look out to sell on rallies from this point onwards, with a small dip towards 1850 levels and then one last high. We are trying to play two waves here, two small waves here. Let's see how it goes. All right, let's discuss the dollar index now. I'm not discussing in too much of details waves here or the Fibonacci's and the trend lines, but to keep the session short, that's the intention. Stay tuned, brothers and sisters. 2008, we are beginning at least at least one regular service. That would be an hourly commentary. Clear wave counts displayed on charts on different time frames. All right, so this is wave 1, 2, 3. Maybe we'll have one wave 4 and wave 5. That's what we are looking like over here. We will see prices, or we should rather see prices dropping at close to 91 or even below that before bottoming out. It's now getting more clear, the wave structure: wave 1, wave 2, and extended wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Wave 4, it all reverses. You never know, it's going to go, it may go all the way beyond 103. At this point in time, we are forgetting about 95. We will just look out for some bottom formation. Already long from about 92.25, remaining around 91.80. Stop below 91 levels and targeting 93. That's the trade setup for now. Don't forget, brothers, if you are an active trader watching, then you should be looking to connect with us on the Telegram channel t.me/Japee. That will keep us in touch through notifications and videos and trade calls, etc. Okay, gold. I'll have to accept that this was one trade which went badly wrong. But still, okay, we are determined to get it back. We are ruling out the we are ruling out the diagonal structure. But if you talk about the expanded flat, yes, it's still alive. I would like to plot something here so that we are in connection. I know many of them are still holding shorts from 55, 56. Even if you don't tell me, I know that. If you're wondering why, then I've been into these stages earlier, and there's nothing wrong in that. I mean, if you're a bit crazy and if you're passionate about what you're doing, don't worry about what others are telling. More the criticism. Sometimes it is good for your growth and success. All right, 50% of the entire drop is being tested right now. Don't be surprised if it goes and hits the 1310 mark. That is not ruled out, and I'm actually subconsciously expecting 1310. If it comes, we are going to short it again. All right, so we are prepared for selling on rallies gold again. It could top out right here. I'm just watching for one impulse wave. Believe it or not, several hours I've been sitting on this chart, just waiting for one impulsive drop. The moment it does, I'll be updating on the Telegram, and let's see how it goes after that. But either from here or 1310, we should be expecting prices to go lower. So selling on rallies, still on cards for gold and silver. Silver I'm not discussing too much. It's just about the same levels, all right. So, but we are not buying any of these metals now. Crude oil. This is the chart. This could prove to be the chart of the year. I repeat, could be proving the chart of the year. I am very confident about this setup now. Let me take you on the 4-hour chart. It was so enthralling to see that that triangle. A, B, C, D, sorry, just skipped one, the A, B, C, D and E, that was wave 4, and after that, look at the 5th wave, turning out 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is now almost complete. Now if you go by the general guidelines here, it should find bottom, the first place to stop somewhere around 54 levels. All right, that is 6 points lower from where prices are trading right now. that is for now, and I think you've touched upon most of the instruments except pound. Yes, let's touch upon pound as well. Pound story remains the same. Only thing is that the wave counts are slightly changing. That's all. Yes, we are holding shorts here. Shorts around 34, 50, 60. I would like to label wave 2 here. It was an expanded flat. Now the structure is quite clear. The only thing is that prices should remain below 35.50 going forward, and there we are. All right, so 40-50 pips down, but if you are joining fresh by any chance, and I see this family, I mean our family is growing very steadily. That's a good sign. I mean, it's not an exponential growth that we are seeing, but members are getting added one or two every day, and that's a really good sign. Okay, so this is what is happening. Wave 1, 2. No need to spread the Fibonacci's right now, but this is the target 32 and 3000 on cards. As I said last time, 2800 is our minimum soft target for a positional call, and on a long-term basis it is 1.2 and lower. All right, so let's bring this session to a pause here, and probably the last session in 2017. We are going to meet now in the new year, and wish you all a very blessed weekend and New Year celebrations. Those who are getting involved with that, everybody today gets involved. It's not in India, but not as a festival, but everybody does get involved into these festivities. So have a blessed weekend, and good luck to your trades. Any updates in gold, especially an impulse, I'll send out a notification on the Telegram. If you have liked it, press the like, share, and help spread the word. If you're just not subscribed by any chance, please do so. That's going to help us count our family members. Okay, this channel is going to go for life. I promise you that. All right, brothers and sisters, thank you so much for being here online again, and till the next year, I should say, beginning of the next year. Stay blessed, and goodbye.